Welcome back to the 1968 El Camino rebuild. Today is going to be a triple header. You got part 12, 13, and 14 coming out today. Because this was originally for the race of Thanksgiving, but certain things stopped it. So I'm putting all the videos from that series into a triple header for today. The first video of this series is going to be the interior. That's going to be at 6 p.m. And then bodywork going to be at 7 p.m. And then everything else with like driving is the motor, brake booster, exhaust, stuff like that going to be at 8 p.m. So stay tuned. To complete the interior, I need to fix the dash right there. Do the speakers, panels on both sides. Finish that panel. Put this panel back. Put the matte carpet, and then this trim piece. That's it. That should be it for the interior, and some other little pieces. But I'm gonna do the door panels later after I paint the car. Like the window stripping going all around this, like a regular car, how it go all around all this. Then I take out these old ones, these old clips or whatever, and then put new ones. I don't have my tripod for this first couple of days. I don't order a new one, but gonna put this window strip on. Put these pins. So I gotta find, line it up, put these pins in. Pin right there, right there, right there. And then put some weather strip glue around the whole thing. I'm gonna show you when it's done. I ended up putting the driver's side sill on the passenger door. So took that off. Now everything glue, everything stuck to it. I don't even know if I can reuse it or not, but alright. So this car didn't come with speakers in the back. I made holes and I made wires. Well, I made this speaker. Let's see. I made hole on this side, hole on this side. The first thing I'm gonna do is connect all the wires, self tap this into here to keep it in place. Then put this panel I made a hole into, put this on here. It's not gonna pull up. Put this on there. Take my measurements, cut a circle. Well, take my measurements, center it, and then make this center into the panel. So I'm gonna start by taking this seat out, cleaning everything up, and then start on the dash. I was gonna try to fix the dash inside the car, but I ain't even gonna do that. So I gotta take this dash pad, not this part, but the pad itself. Gotta take this out of the car. So I gotta drop this again, take this whole thing off again, just to get this part out. Also, this little back storage box container thing is all messed up, and I ain't buying a new one. Cause it's like this box right here, like, let me see, I think it's like 130 something. That's too much. So I'm just gonna get a plastic welder and plastic weld all these, sand it down, make sure everything good. I have to get 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's 2 more under the glove box. But I don't have the tools for this. Well, the little angle, like a turning. So I gotta go to the store real quick and get that. I got this dash pad out, so it can be easy to work on it, easy to fix it. Also, while I got that out, put the ignition back in, the ignition switch back in, clean up all these, put those back in. There's like a cigarette lighter. Find that, put that back in. Put this one on. I bought this one. I put that one back on. Change the AC vents. I got chrome AC vents. Put those back on. Make sure all the ducts tight. Everything back there. Do all the dash light wires. Fix this parking. Fix this parking thing that's connected somewhere right here. Fix that. Make sure that read right. And then I gotta put this lights. Connect this to the ground up there where that little hole at. And then start. This wiring messed up. I ain't fixed this wiring yet, so gotta go to the wiring diagram, fix these wires, then try to fix the headlights. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do this yet. I'm gonna get this to fit perfectly in a certain area over where the speaker go. So first thing I'm gonna do is take these measurements that I took, make a circle. Well, trace a circle right here. Use those measurements to make the center point of the circle. And then take measurements of this, make a circle, and then center this based off this, then cut out of this and try to put that over there. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but trial and error, and I'm gonna see. I'm gonna let y'all know how it go. I trace this circle. I took these measurements right there, made the center point, the middle of this X is the center point, and then found the length of this. Use that to see exactly how to center it. See, it's off. This side over this side more, because this wasn't cut right. So this is where it's gonna sit over the speaker. So I'm gonna cut this out, put a center point in the middle of this, then trace the back of this on that and cut it out. I had used the Dremel to trim out the circle that I made. You can see it, the line that goes there around. This how it came out. Put the speaker in there. But I'm gonna fix up the edges. I got the speaker just sitting there. Though I got the panel I just made. Test fit the panel. See, that's in. And it's right there in the center. Let me see this. Push that all the way in. And I'm gonna tape all the way around here. So I'm gonna take it out. It's the same dimensions. But when you screw it in, everything look good. Nice and flush, everything look good. Over here, my other storage, part storage. Some stuff so I can do the headlights. Some connectors. Get some wires. And this. See, this all the old messed up wires that they got connected to it. One missing, and the rest of it messed up, but I got the new piece. So I don't know where these two green ones go, so I'm gonna cut this right here and then find out where the green ones go. I know where the brown ones and the blue one connect to. I just gotta find out where the green one connect to. I still don't know which one of these green wires go to that, because they have both of these connected. One of these go to this and one of these go to the dash. So I gotta take this fuel box off and see exactly which one go where and which one go this way. See, this green, pull it. this screen ended up being this the one that go down here. They had both of these connected, but this one is not in that panel. It go around. See right there, go around, and then it's right there's that tiny bit of green. This wire goes up into the dash, and this one go down. I got those wires wired in. I got it routing, go around, come this way so you won't step on it. But that's all wired in, fixed up. Now I gotta figure out, well not figure out, but I gotta put this green one to the dash. And I have some old pieces, bulbs and stuff. I'm gonna just cut it right here, connect the green one to that, and put this where it need to be. But while I got the dash pad out, I'm gonna just clean everything up. I'm gonna change these to chrome ones. I got some chrome ones, new chrome ones. Change those. Make sure all the AC duct's good, and put this back in there. Fix all my wiring. Check all my wiring before I put this back on. So I just connected the battery, and those two lights came on. I guess it's stuck in the on position right now because the headlight never worked. Cause never that since I got the car, so I guess it's stuck in the on position. But I'm gonna click that button and see what happens. That's the end of the first part of the triple header. So stay tuned for part 13 and 14 at 7 to 8 p.m. But the part 15 gonna be basically finishing up the interior, finish up the dash, all the wiring, carpet, seats, panels, the speakers, stuff like that. I ain't gonna do everything because all the little stuff costs the most. So I'm gonna say all the little stuff for the end, like the mirrors, like the rear mirror. That's like $100 just for the rear mirror. So I'm gonna say all that for the end. Carpets, the mats for the end. A whole bunch of little stuff for the end. But for the most part, most of the part 15 gonna be finishing up the interior. So stay tuned for that. But I also got some apparel to help fund this build. So if you wanna help fund this build, you can go on teespring.com. The link gonna be in the bio. But I'm gonna put how it look on the screen. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and stay tuned because this video is gonna be done in less than a month. I'm gonna say a month, by mid-February. I'm not gonna put a date on it, but it should be done in February. The whole car should be done in February. You're gonna get a reveal video in February, a reveal video in February, breakdown video in February. February gonna be when it's gonna be done. Cause right now it's just interior and a whole bunch of little stuff that costs. So you don't want to miss the reveal video at all. So like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications and watch this build come to life. And if you didn't already watch the other videos, start at part 1 until part 9. You're gonna be amazed at how far this car came.